So we already talked about the difference between the Instagram accounts. Now we're gonna really narrow down and define which Instagram account you should have depending on your business. As we all know, Instagram is a visual platform, right? And I'm gonna talk a little more about that at the end of the video, letting you know exactly what's the next step when I know what account I have, right? So in this video, I'm gonna go through all the accounts. I'm even going to give you examples of what industries or what type of businesses should be under each type of profile. So make sure you stay until the end so that you can really find out which one is best for you. Let's start off. Before we begin, I just want to give you a warm welcome to your go-to channel for anything in regards to digital marketing and in specific content for your business. Today, we're going to pick which account is best for your business, all right? So let's start off with what accounts are there, right? So there's a personal Instagram account, there's a creator Instagram account, and then we have a business Instagram account. You have 3 options to choose from, so let's decide which one is the best for you. What might work for your business might be different from other businesses, so really pay attention, take notes, and decide what features will work for your type of content and what features you just might want to pass on, okay? So, an Instagram personal account is the type of account if you want to interact with friends and family. That's pretty much it. If you are trying to make money in any sort of relation with Instagram, okay, even if you are a network marketer, a personal account is not the right profile for you. A personal account is literally for someone who's only there to post pictures, interact with their inner circle, friends and family, that's it. So for this type of profile, no businesses should be here. If you have a business and you have a personal Instagram account, go ahead, go to your settings and change it into one of the other 2. If you want to know which one is right for you, stay until the end of the video. So with that being said, you might have heard somewhere, because I've heard this too, that Instagram, it's like a visual platform, so it favors you if you have a personal account. No, that is not true. Do not believe everything that you see out there, okay? If you really want to test it, go ahead and test it. Use a personal account for 1 week and then a business or creator account for the next. And you'll notice that there is no difference, okay? But if you do have a business account, you need the features that are on this side. And since most of you that are watching have a business, let's go on to this side. So on this side, which are your 2 options if you have a business, we have a creator account or a business account. Let's dive into the creator account. The creator account is going to be the most recommended depending on your business, and I'll give you some examples so that you can really determine and be sure of your decision, okay? So the creator account gives us the business insights, okay? Your business insights are basically your go-to for anything. You should be looking at this about once every 7 days. If your business somehow wanting or already generating income from Instagram, you need to make sure that you're checking your insights. Your insights are basically telling you, yes, keep doing what you're doing. You can tweak it a little, or you need to change your complete strategy because what you're doing is not working. So that's definitely something that you have to be checking up on, okay? A creator account also has the contact button, so you can either put for people to contact you via email or call or text, okay? This is an option that, I recommend for most businesses because it gives people the option to really contact you if they want to take it a step further, but most of the time, the contact kind of activity stays in your direct messages, okay, in your DMs, but it's obviously a great great idea to have, because when you're looking and when people are on the search for a little bit of a higher interaction, so business inquiries and all that stuff, they'll go directly to the email. So that's a great thing to have. Next, on the creator account, we do have the famous, the iconic, the must-have music button. I know that music button has been a hassle for a lot of you, but yes, the creator account does have the music button. Same thing as the personal account, okay? A business account does not have the music button. Why? Honestly, I'm not sure why Instagram thinks that businesses can't put music on their stories, but it's definitely something that I love using and I recommend for businesses to use. Whenever you're showcasing something on your stories, it's really the best way to kind of get your audience into that emotion. So I love it, and I personally love using that. That's why I have a creator account. So my personal Instagram is a creator account. The one that you guys should follow at the Laura Gomez, that's a personal account. All right. Next, on a creator account, you do have the option to boost your post. Okay, let's take this a step further, because I generally do not recommend boosting a post for anybody, because I know that you have a lot more options when you take it a step further. If you do want to do any type of ads, and do it by using Business Manager, okay? With your creator or your business profiles, you will have the option to use your Business Manager, okay? So you just go on to business.facebook.com, you can link your profiles, and then you can start running ads, okay? Do not, I repeat, do not use that blue boost button. I know they say, look, your post is performing like 97% better, just promote it. No, don't do it from that button, okay? Even though you have the option, don't do it from there. Do it from the Business Manager account. That's going to give you more options and really more detailed targeting that's going to help you spend your money and reach your objective a lot faster, all right? So this is the creator account. Who is the creator account for? The creator account is perfect and the go-to for anybody with a personal brand. What is a personal brand? Well, if you don't know what a personal brand is, go ahead and check this video out right here. That's going to give you all the insights on a personal brand, why you need a personal brand, and how it in specific works. But if you don't already know, a personal brand is basically you showing yourself as an expert in a certain subject, okay? So personal brand, other people that can use and should use a creator account, network marketers. Yeah, all of you out there, I see you watching this video, you should use a creator account, all right? Influencers, use a creator account. Creators, so video editors, music producers, all that good stuff, use a creator account. Other than that, public figures should also use a creator account, all right? So if you are not like an actual physical location, I would stick to this creator account, all right? There are some people that should use the business account, and we're gonna jump into that right now, all right? So number 3, option number 3, ding, 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 is the business Instagram account. The business Instagram account has little tiny features that make a big difference, all right? So it does have what the creator account has. It does have your insights, all right? Same thing. Every 7 days, you should be tuning into this, all right? Then you do have the contact option. You can put whatever your industry is, same thing as a creator account. But what does this person, okay, this account have that the other account doesn't? Your call to action buttons, okay? So what do I mean by call to action? With a business profile, you can put the option to book now, all right? Book now, this is a big one for all of you coaches out there, ding, 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 okay? You also have the option if you're a restaurant to order now, which is the absolute most amazing feature that Instagram has integrated, okay? Restaurants can order now. You can even tie it into different platforms, third-party platforms that you might use. Super, super, super recommended. And the other option, not only does the book now work for coaches, but it does also work for a lot of you people out there in the beauty industry. So I know makeup artists, right? Hairstylists, a lot of you guys are using Instagram to showcase what products and what services you're offering to your clients, right? And obviously, if a client is ready to book, you want to give it to them like this. And with that book now option, you can see if the third party, so like the booking system that you use, is linked, and you can automatically link people to go and book your services directly. That means they can automatically reserve an appointment with you. That's huge, 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 huge. And I see a lot of people that aren't taking advantage of this feature, okay? So for example, for all you coaches out there, okay, I'm gonna really, really go deep down into coaches, and this also works for realtors, okay? I know that you guys are setting up like those quick calls, maybe an introductory call, or maybe a call where you get to know the other person, get to know what property they're looking for, right? If you're a realtor, that call, you guys normally use Calendly to schedule that call, right? Calendly is a great platform, but there are different calendars like Setmore that allow you to automatically give your customers, whether you're a coach and you want to give them like a one-on-one intro call or whatever it may be, or whether you're a realtor and you want to get to know what property, you can automatically link your Setmore, okay? And Setmore isn't the only platform. There are more platforms out there. You can look at what Instagram has to offer and then decide if you want to use that calendar third-party application, okay? These are all third-party applications. And with this, you link your calendar and people can automatically book a session with you. This is absolutely huge, 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 huge. So, like I mentioned, for coaches, for realtors, for people in the beauty industry, for restaurants, for most physical locations, you want to have a business profile because it gives your audience more call to actions, okay, that you can automatically put on your Instagram profile. And let's always remember that if we're on Instagram, it's not to get more followers, it's not to get more likes, okay? We have a business, so we have a purpose on Instagram where we want to send everybody that's finding us on Instagram to that one mission that we're trying to accomplish, okay? Now, one thing is for sure, if you're a business, no matter what account you use, okay? Insights, I'm gonna repeat it, your business insights, you should be looking at every 7 days. Here is my ultimate hack. Set an alarm on your phone or on your Google Calendar, okay? Pick your date. My day is on Friday. So on Fridays at 4:00 p.m., you guys know that I'm checking my insights, and I even take it a step further, okay? So the regular hack is to set an alarm so that you can automatically just look, see if it's on green. So green obviously means that there's been an increase, okay? Instagram will tell you if you're increasing or decreasing that week. I take it a step further, and you guys know I'm an Excel girl. I like to compare. So every Friday, I copy and paste my insights and I make sure that I analyze what's working and what's not working, so that the next week on Instagram, I have a plan in order to keep always, always, always increasing those numbers, okay? So go ahead, grab your phone, and while you're at it, go ahead and take a screenshot and tag me, post it on your stories, and I'll repost it, okay? At the Laura Gomez. And once you're done with that, set an alarm every 7 days to check your Instagram insights, all right? That is your homework and what I want you to do from this video, all right? So now you have your Instagram profile. You have the right one because you already went through all the features and you know which one is best for you. Now, what's the next step? You obviously have to have the content that is going to make your Instagram page stand out. So I have a big surprise for you. I have created a quiz that's going to help you guys determine what type of content works best for your business and for your personality, right? Because there's different types of content. We have text, we have video, we have audio, and we have pictures. So there's different types of content, and every piece of content works, but you have to find what works in specific for you. So go ahead, scroll down, click on the link, sign up, and you'll be the first to get that quiz. So your homework is number 1, set that alarm. Number 2, click that link below. And number 3, hit that subscribe button if you loved this video. And remember, stay tuned because next week I have a video that is absolutely going to transform your business. All right, see you next week. Bye-bye.